he okay? What happened? Took it ahead and tell us to smoke and gas. I'm just breathing. You okay? Where's Casey? He went to get Severide.
Severide! I almost got it! We gotta go! I'm not leaving until I get this shut!
I found Severide!
Slow the gas to buy some time, but the valve won't stay closed. Need to hold it manually. Should be able to keep it at bay long enough to get everyone out.
Don't press your luck. You see anything off, you fail. Understood?
Copy, Chief.
If we live through this, I can't even tell if you get a reprimand or another commendation.
I'll turn it down.
Are you joking, right?
It was just something that Grissom was pushing. Try to use it as a way to toss me up the ladder.
I suggested the commendation. So you?
Yeah. Casey, Severide, we're all clear. Get out of there now.
Copy, Chief.
So what now? As soon as we leave, this thing is gonna blow. How many steps do you think it is to the edge of the building? To do what? Jump? Sure. And let go, make a break for it. Jump into the water. Come on. You're right. Count of 3. This is insane. Let's go. 1, 2. Damn it, Casey. 3.